Good morning everyone. Once again, this is Teacher Jhun, your English teacher in Wat Yukashare School under English program and currently handling grade 4/1. Okay class, today our subject is science and our topic for today is body parts of a bird. Okay class, I'm going to show you already the parts of a bird. Okay, number 1, head. 2, eye. 3, beak. 4, body. 5, leg. 6, tail. 7, wings. And number 8, feather. Okay, class? That is the parts of a bird. Okay, for your vocabulary, the same. Number 1, head. Number 2, beak. 3, wings. 4, feet. 5, leg. 6, tail. 7, feather. And the last one, number 8, eye. Okay, class, I'm going to show you the picture. Okay, head. So that is the example of head of a bird. Beak. As you could see at the screen, that is the beak. Wings. So, you know what is meant by wings. Then, feet. You see the picture, that is the feet. Then, legs. That is the leg of the bird. Then, tail. Tail. And the feather. Feather of the bird. Then, the last one, that is the eye. Okay? So, class, for your activity, write the vocabulary on your notebook, then read it. Again, I'm going to repeat it again. Write the vocabulary on your notebook, then read it. Once again, I'm going to read for you. Vocabulary: head, beak, wings, feet, leg, tail, feather, and eyes. Okay? So class, that's for today for your science. I hope everybody get it. Okay, thank you and have a nice day always.